Hey guys, welcome back. Here's another day of some nice aircraft maintenance we're gonna do today. We're gonna steer away from the engine and the 140 for today and get back on the Comanche, the 180. Today we're gonna pretty much run new wire for the wing since we have it opened up. So we're gonna replace the wire, get rid of all this old style strobe light and stuff like that. Put fresh wire for our new LED setup when we get to that point. So today we're just gonna install the ribs we got from a donor, Comanche. We got the 3 ribs and all the new stringers, and then throw the skin on there also and close it up. So that's going to be our project for today. And then after that, then we'll jump on the other ones just to give you some more content for you. And like I said, if you guys really like these, just hit the like and subscribe so we can make all these videos for you as we go. Thank you. It's wax with it's cotton and nylon.
It's wax.
Yeah, it's wax covered. I think it's like nylon or something.
And how far apart does that stuff?
Nylon.
Every how many inches we'll tie it?
We'll do probably really kind of like studs, every 16, whatever we have. So we'll do a quick one to reach where we're gonna put the switches.
Yep.
And we'll just stretch it out. So we'll give it about a foot hanging out.
Okay.
Just so in case we mess up, we gotta stretch out a little bit more.
Yep.
And then we'll get the first one, and then we'll cut 2 more like it. We'll tie them all up, and then we'll start doing it again.
What kind of knots?
There's different ways. They have special knots. These, I don't know if you can see on this one here. They just link them all together, which is they do. They start off with a knot up top, and then they just do a quick loop.
Yep.
It's all linked together, but if one rips, then it's just gonna unravel.
Okay.
So the other one is just a bunch of quick little knots.
Square knots or something?
Little square knot all the way. And then you just leave a little pigtail. You don't have to leave anything, but it just so it won't unravel either. Because after a while, it just like fuses itself and just sticks together. So like a bunch of little square knots, and then they won't slide off unless it's really tight and you're yanking on it. Then they'll all slide and bunch up together. But usually it does good. But yeah, this is the older style, which you kind of see. There we go. See how it's falling apart, but it's knotted and it's linked, but
it's all running together.
Yeah. But like I said, if it rips, then they're all gonna just fall apart.
Shoot.
Hey, welcome back, guys. We're just pretty much finished up with the day. We got not really ahead of schedule. We did want to throw the skin on there, but we had issues when we're running the wire through the forward end of the fuel bladder. When we were pulling the other wire with the lead safety wire, the old wire lacing got all bunched up and got caught up on one of the grommets that's pretty much on this forward rib here. So there's no access to it. I don't know if you guys know much about Comanches, there's pretty much no panels to remove to get to anything besides the ones where the bell crank and then the landing gear bungee cords are. So it wasn't fun, but we were able to do it. We were able to made some tools and got it through it, fished it through. So we were able to run the wires for brand new wiring for the landing light, the strobe, and the nav lights. So that's ran on this wing already. And we were able to install the 3 ribs that were damaged from a previous gear up landing. So we got the 3 ribs, and then the stringers, all 6 stringers we were able to install from the donor wing that we had. So that's ready to go. So now our next video will be about just getting that next skin on there and closing that up, and we'll be in business of, you know, after that, prepping the rest of the fuselage for the paint, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, if you guys enjoy these videos and want more of them, just go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and we'll shoot some more for you guys. Thank you guys.